Hello everyone, welcome to AWS Daily with Ukeme, and today we'll be creating a PostgreSQL database with Amazon RDS. So by the end of this tutorial, I'll be giving out this. So I'll be giving out an AWS certification promotional exam voucher for associate level. So this gives you 50% discount on when you want to, write this exam or register for this exam. Say thank you to me. Thank you. So moving on to the course of today is creating a PostgreSQL database with Amazon RDS. So I wrote this article last year, I think July 14th, and I'd like to do a quick video on how to create this PostgreSQL instance. So the first question is, what is Amazon RDS? What type of Amazon RDS you can choose from, and why use PostgreSQL? All right, so Amazon RDS stands for Amazon Relational Database Service. It is a collection of managed services that makes it simple to set up, operate, and scale database in the cloud. There are different types of Amazon RDS instances you can choose from. The most popular engines are PostgreSQL, MariaDB, MySQL, SQL Server, Amazon Aurora with SQL compatibility, Amazon Aurora with PostgreSQL compatibility, and Oracle. So why do you want to use PostgreSQL? So PostgreSQL comes with many features aimed to help developers build applications, administrators to protect data integrity, and build fault-tolerant environments. And it also helps you to manage data no matter how big or small the data set is. Is a managed service. RDS is a managed service. There are lots of other features. You can do some more research on that, but let's get to the practical session for today. All right, so log into your AWS console, and to the top right corner, click on services, scroll down to databases, and then you should click RDS here. Click on RDS, and all right, so this is the RDS dashboard. On the left-hand corner, you can click on database to go to database session, or you can just create database with this button here. So click create database. In creating database, you have to choose a database creation method. Create standard, and then we want that on PostgreSQL. The version, this depends on you, but I'm going to use the default version. And then in terms of template, there's a production, we have the test and dev, and then we have the free tier. Let's go for free tier because what we want to do. Then database instance identifier. So we have to give it a name. Let's call this Postgres. And then, so for the username, I'll call this AWS. I'll just do that. And then manage master credentials in AWS Secret Manager. No, we don't want to complicate things here. So just create a password. All right. So instance configuration, we have to choose the type of instance we want this to run on. Free tier basically gives us this T3 micro. Scroll down. So leave all of this as default. We can change the allocated storage to like 5 gig instead of 20. Actually, 20 is too much for a test project. Enable auto scaling. I don't think we need to create anything auto scaling right now because it's just This is just the basic project. So compute resource connectivity. So leave all of that as default. In terms of your VPC, use the default VPC. You can decide to create a new VPC, or I suggest you leave the default VPC since it's just a test project. In terms of the subnet, leave that as default. Public access. How does it assign a public IP? This should be yes. Assign public address. Public address to the database. So public access should be yes. And then in terms of security group, should be the default security group. You will still have to do some settings on this security group to allow access to this RDS instance. We'll get to that. So scrolling down, password authentication, yes. So leave every other thing as default and create database. So as we can see, it's creating a database. All right, so the status has changed from creating to configuring, enhanced monitoring. Let me, refresh, and now it's backing up. So while we wait for this to complete, we can click on this Postgres instance, and then what we want to do is to configure the security group of this VPC to allow inbound rules to this particular instance, because if we try to connect to it now, it won't work because we haven't modified the security group. So once you click on the instance, you see connectivity and security. You see security here. Click on the default security group for that VPC. It takes you to this EC2 dashboard, and then this is that particular security group. Click on it, and then we want to edit the inbound rule. So right here, you see edit inbound rules. Click on that. All right, so we want to add a new rule. Click on add rule, and then select, scroll down. See PostgreSQL. Select that. That's going to run on port 5432, and then the source should be anywhere. And then let's create another one. Same thing. Postgres 5432, and then we do this also anyway. Let's save these rules. Remember that these rules are peculiar to this particular VPC. So let's go back to our RDS instance. You can as well just click this, takes you back to the RDS instance. Databases. Okay, so to access this Postgres instance, you have to use something called Postbed. Postbed is an application that enables fast and easy access and management of your PostgreSQL database. I'll put the link in the description below for where you can download the Postbed software. So I have that downloaded already. So Postbed, and then okay, so this is like an old connection. To create a new connection, yours will probably be empty once you are doing this for the first time. So on the left hand corner, you see add. Click on add here. So the host here is your RDS endpoint. Once you are in this instance, you see connectivity and security at the endpoint. We can copy this endpoint and then paste it there as the host. The port is always on 5432, and then the username we used to create this instance was AWS daily. Then you have to put in that password. So first thing we want to do is to test the connection to see if this is correct. Okay, so it says successfully connected. Okay, now we can save and connect to this. So once we save, we are connected to this instance, So we can, these are some options here. We can create a new database and then call this YouTube subscribers. And then do I need any template? No, I can just say create database. Yeah. So now we have this database. I can decide to create a table. I can create this table and say names, subscribers, make it public, create table. So this is that table for subscribers I just created. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, that reminds me. I am giving this out. I'm giving this AWS certification promotional exam voucher for associate level exam. You get 50% discount for this. This is my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel. What you need to do is to like this particular video, then subscribe, and then comment. The most interesting comment gets the prize. So you have to come to my channel, subscribe, like, and then comment under this video. The most interesting comment gets the prize. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Till next time, stay safe.